Hi there, my name is Steve, and I will give a quick demo of the endpoints that I have implemented and also a high-level view of the project. So let's firstly get started for the live demo. So we can start the server based on the script I wrote. So as you can see, the server is running on top of Porter 8000. We can quickly go over some quick live endpoints testing. So here is the first question that I will call chat endpoints with a query of 3 plus 4. Nice, we can get the response correctly, and as you can see, we don't trigger any Wikipedia usage. Let's give it a harder question that will trigger the Wikipedia. As you can see, the usage of Wikipedia is triggered, and we have a response that is well formed. Let's take a look at the chat history. Awesome, as you can see, we get the last question at the end, and we also asked a question about the user query is 3 plus 4. So it works. Now I will give you a high-level view of the project. So the main entry is the main class, and it will trigger the app, which is something we built on top of the fast APIs. You can see we can also add some production level middleware controls for the app. And there are 3 endpoints. Firstly, the root, which would provide some basic information about the whole services. And secondly, we have one endpoint for chat and one endpoint for chat history. So regarding chat, we are having one layer based on the cohere client, and then we have one separate query processing logic, which would include the usage of Wikipedia. And we also have some functions for history, save, and load functionality. So we also have a data model that controls the chat requests and response, and also chat histories. Here you can see we can configure different settings for different parameters. Looking into the core services. So the main logic of process query is that the user request will firstly be sent to cohere client, and then we can try to get if there's any tool usage request based on the first response. And if there is any tool usage, then we can trigger it and then add the result to the message. If there's no tool calls, then we can just add the response to the chat history and then send it back to the users. So regarding tools, now we are supporting Wikipedia, which is quite simple usage to support search on Wikipedia. We have the summary and page logic, which would include both summary and source of the Wikipedia knowledge. We also provide the tool definitions for Wikipedia, including when will a user trigger the Wikipedia usage. Yeah, and all of this are included as to the 2 endpoints, chat and chat history. And we also have the test coverage, which would test the Wikipedia services, chat history services, and chat services separately. And there are much more that we can do on top of this repo.